Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today's video is a very exciting video. I am once again partnering with BURGA, who is a phone tech accessories company that are luxurious accessories. I have partnered with them last year. I have been blown away by the quality of their products. So when the opportunity to partner with them again came up, I was very excited because we are officially in spring. I decided to pick out new accessories based on Pantone latest spring summer 2024 colors. We are going to go over what I got. I will also give you how I would pair this with fashion. They come out with new collection so often. They are so trendy. I would highly suggest that you go on their website to see what collection they have right now. They just recently came out with their Secret Garden collection that is inspired by nature, that has amazing colors, that is really whimsical and magical. I feel like I am going to give you how I would dress up with the specific design that I got from BURGA. One other cool thing is I have an iPhone, but no matter what phone you have, they got you covered. No pun intended. There is nothing that we have with us more than our phone. I feel like it's a great investment. First, because it protects your phone very well, but also because it's an extension of your fashion style and it becomes a part of your outfit. They currently have a promotion of you buy 2 cases, you get 2 cases. So you end up with 4 cases for the price of 2, which is amazing. I'm going to review 2 of their most popular case, the Tough case and the Elite case. I also got an iPad case, and another thing that I'm really excited for is a notebook. They have luxurious product. They even have drinkware. They have sunglasses. I mean, they have so many things. They have a special printing technology that makes your accessories look as good as they did on day one. It is scratch proof, color fading resistant. We are going to start with the Elite case. First, let me tell you, when I got this for the first time, I was so impressed because it comes in this luxurious pooch. It's a velvet pooch. First, you can reuse this for so many things, but also it doesn't just come into like a bag like when you buy a case on Amazon. Let's look at the first one that I got. So it's this. Wow. This one is from the Secret Garden. One of Pantone color is a really light baby blue, kind of like the one that you find on this case. I don't know why, but to me, I feel like it's a little bit of a fairy core aesthetic. It's a glossy finish, so all of the Tough case come into this glossy finish, but even though it's glossy, it is scratch resistant, and you have 2 layers of protection. So you have the protective kind of silicone case that you can put on, and that's my preference. That's how I put my case on. This also has a cobalt blue. I am all about my blues. You'll see that most of the cases that I got have a blue hue to it because I'm obsessed with blue right now. But the cobalt blue has been seen on fashion runway as well. It's really trendy. The way I see how you could style this is with braided hair, flower bouquet, going on a picnic with flowy dress. This type of blue was really trendy in 2023 with the mermaid core aesthetic, but now in 2024 I feel like it's really about all being whimsical, but at the same time having a pop of color into neutral outfit. This is really romantic, I feel like, and I'm really excited to use this in the next season. The next one that I got is another Tough case, and I really am in love with this one. I know which one it is. Wow. I am so excited to use this on my phone. Actually, I still have one from my last haul. Like I said, I take this layer, add it on, and then snapping this other one on. Wow.
The Tough case covers all around your phone and has a raised bezel for screen protection. It has a slim profile and is very comfortable to hold.
This is more of a modern twist on the checkered pattern. I feel like it has a vintage feel to it. It has the baby blue, like I said, I'm obsessed, and the white is kind of a creamy beige, very light beige. This baby blue really blends in with all of the other neutral shade that you can have. It's a way to incorporate a pop of color into your wardrobe, even if you prefer to have neutral color like I do. This color has been seen everywhere on runways, and we even have celebrities who have sported these checkered pattern. We are going to move on to the Elite case. Now the Elite case is definitely even more protective for your phone. I'm a mom, I work out. There are so many opportunities to drop my phone, and I did quite often drop my phone in the past few months. My phone has never gotten any scratch, any dent. It is in mint condition, and I'm pretty sure that the case has a lot to do with it. And when you get the Elite case, it comes in this, and it looks exactly like if I was unboxing a luxury jewel. So I mean, even the packaging gets me every time. I don't feel like I'm unboxing just any simple tech accessories. It's really luxurious. So let's look at the first one. I haven't seen it in person, so wow. Okay, once again, this blue, this is the Elite case. One way that you can differentiate it is that it has a matte finish. Tough case always come into this glossy finish, whereas the Elite case are always matte like this, and they always have a bezel here where you can actually choose the color that you want.
The Elite case is the one to get if you want maximum protection while having a super luxurious and beautiful trendy case. It features Cloud Guard technology that absorbs up to 90% of the impact force, and the interior is in a microfiber lining, which is very soft.
This one I got because it really reminded me of a summer sky. This to me screamed beach, reading under the umbrellas, looking at the sky with the clouds and the sun, wearing like a blue bikini, or walking around during your summer holidays, and summer is just around the corner. I'm so excited. This is going to definitely come with me when I go on my family trip that I have planned with my family, because this is super sturdy and I will not be worried about dropping my phone. Let's jump right away into the last Elite case that I got, so I know which one this is. Wow, this is so pretty, you guys. This case also has a subtle hint of purple, which is also another color from Pantone for the next seasons. I am really excited. Once again, this is in the Elite case with the gold bezel around the camera. It looks so good. I would definitely see being worn on more of a casual day, more of a casual outfit, really much neutral color with grayish and beige, baseball cap, a very cool oversized hoodie. This is definitely going to fit with so many outfits. Casual, everyday, but at the same time luxurious, and it looks so good. The other thing that I want to show you, and I've already put it on, is this amazing iPad case. One thing that I want to mention is that I could have gotten the same design for my iPhone case, my iPad case, and my MacBook case. I wanted to show you guys other design that I think would have been amazing for the next season. So this is, again, with the blue. It has a really organic feel to it. I love the fact that BURGA's iPad case are in this luxurious vegan leather. It's good for the environment. They have their logo over here in gold. I had one from my previous haul that I have used every single day since I got it. My iPad hasn't moved from the case. One cool thing is it has a place over here to put your pen so that you don't lose it. It's really useful. I just throw this in my bag and I'm good to go. You can have this design for your iPhone case or whatever phone you have. Pop of blue with neutral, beigey, white color. You cannot go wrong. Like I said, it's not my first collab with BURGA, but I am obsessed with their product. It's such amazing quality. I wanted to try something different. I am someone who loves to write down things on a paper. I also am in the middle of my yoga teacher training, so I write down a lot of yoga sequence, and I got one of their notebooks. This isn't your typical notebook because it is truly luxurious. It is in this very cool pattern, Pantone colors with the yellow over here. It is really trendy right now, this yellow pop of color. It definitely reminds us of that summer is just around the corner. This notebook comes with a magnetic flap over here. You have a page separator over here, and in the back you also have a pocket. I mean, my tech device are covered, and I also have this amazing notepad, and I really love the design of this. Once again, you can get this for any of your tech accessories. This really reminded me of an Italian summer, or when you are out and about drinking a glass of rosé. I also felt like this as a 70s inspired design. I am so excited to use this to write all of my notes, my to-do, my yoga sequence in this. This yellow makes me so happy, so joyful. It's so fun to have new tech accessories. It's a refresh, even though my other tech accessories look brand new still, even though I've used them so much. So that is it, you guys. This is my review for the BURGA Elite and Tough cases, as well as the other accessories that I got. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up because it really supports my channel and myself as a content creator. If you are new, welcome. I'm very excited to have you here. If you could subscribe so you don't miss any video, because I post new video every single week, that would definitely make me very happy to be friends with you. But otherwise, I hope you have an amazing day, an amazing weekend. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.